I've never told you guys, but you literally got to come down about a 3-mile stone road to get to Danny's place, which is kind of cool. I mean, obviously I'm gonna ask Danny before I put this in there, but yeah, over the river, through the woods, to Danny's house we go. We're almost there, guys. I see an S10. We must be nearing Danny's. You know you're at Danny's when you see the big old garage out back. Oh no, he bought another project. He joked about that thing, but I didn't take him serious. So Scout knows I'm here, which is Danny's dog, but Danny doesn't. I don't want to give him any kind of recognition on this, but if you guys want to see, it's a pretty cool build. It's a straight axle swap S10. Definitely check him out. His information is on the screen as displayed. Slow restorations. He's always coming up with something S10 related. Oh, we woke Danny up. Hey! Hey! Oh! We got too much in our hands. I can't pet you. Stand by. Come here now. Now you can come here. This is Scout, everyone. Definitely check out Danny's channel. We're down here for an OBS update, aren't we?
Yep. We're here for a belly rub.
Yeah, for a belly rub.
All right, buddy. Calm down.
Oh.
All right, come here. Come here. Come here. Lay down. Lay down. Go ahead. Lay down.
He's a wild one.
Yeah. All right. All right.
No chapstick. Alrighty, so we're about to get the first fire up with the new muffler on the OBS truck. Who's excited? You guys are probably wondering why you're looking at this angle right now, aren't you? Well, absolutely. First fire up. That actually sounds really good. It actually sounds like a truck again and not some raspy little 4-cylinder. Give me some throttle note. Oh, yes. Alrighty guys, so all joking aside, we've kind of been in the shop doing a couple things. Actually, Danny's really been in the shop and I wrapped another panel to my Suburban, so I'm not even gonna bullshit there. But yeah, I got another panel done on the Suburban. Danny's been kind of piecing it together because it's been kind of a one-man thing right now. The things he needed help with, I helped him with, and now we're gonna bring it out to daylight.
And I've been sick.
And he's been sick. Definitely. You guys should have heard him on the phone. Well, if you listen to his vlogs, you can definitely hear it. But let's go ahead and get her backed out. Yes, this is how us poor YouTubers get our multiple angles. You see this? Poor YouTubers use multiple trash cans. Well, I'm using the daylighter or the roll bar over there, but this side's definitely a trash can. But here she comes, guys, getting ready to fire it up and back it out. It's definitely a tall truck, guys, so I don't think you guys understand how tall this truck actually really is. But here it comes, guys. Oh boy. Oh man. Now I've only seen it in the shop, but oh man. I love it. Oh, I love it. Danny's got a lot of time into it, but oh my goodness, does that look good, guys. Oh man. Now I've only seen it in the shop, but oh man. Yeah. Danny's got a lot of time into it, but oh my goodness, does that look good, guys. Oh, this is my better GoPro over here, so we're gonna grab that. All right, guys, now here is the full reveal of the OBS. It looks absolutely killer.
Quite a big difference.
Huge change. Huge change. I thank you so much, Danny. Danny's got a lot of time into doing this, guys. So definitely check him out, slow_restoration.
And we're definitely got some fine-tuning detail work to go.
Yes.
Yet, overall,
I keep promising you guys that I was going to get down here and reveal a video. So this is my fault. Like, I've been kind of dragging my feet getting down here. Danny's obviously been sick for the last couple of days. So, I mean, guys, this is the full reveal on it. So we're going to actually go ahead over here. We got the new grill, as you guys do know. I didn't kind of show anybody or anything yet, but we got a new grill, we got a new headlights, we got new marker lights. Let's get them installed now. And also, we're gonna go ahead and get the roll bar on the back of here so we can get 100% what this thing is going to look like. Man, I love this look, guys. Let me know in the comments down below. Is this what you guys thought we were gonna do with the OBS, or is it a lot different? Man, I love this truck. Well, we went ahead and got the light bar and roll bar installed. I know a bunch of you guys did not actually like that look, but I think it really sets this thing. Danny, what are you doing?
I'm just looking.
Get that out of here. That's not even to this truck. That's to my 05.
Oh, really?
Yeah, get that out of here.
Why is it here?
Why is all of my stuff here? But guys, that thing looks freaking amazing. I can't wait for like you guys to see this. We are going to try to take this to like Cars and Coffee and things like that, just to really show it all for you guys. But this thing is freaking coming together absolutely amazing. It's cool to like have a vision and actually put that vision into production. Like, that's pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. I sent literally Danny a couple pictures and I was like, this is the way I want it to look, and he looked at me like I was insane, and now it's all finally coming together.
As you're doing it, the first time I sprayed the body, this is Raptor liner too, by the way.
Yeah, a lot of people seen it in the boxes of the Raptor liners sitting around, but
the green is obviously the tinted version. You just pick your color and mix it in.
Yeah.
Black is black out of the can. But yeah, the first time I sprayed it, I was like, I don't know, but now looking at it,
yeah.
It
and Danny sent me pictures without the fenders on, and I seen like the truck being raw, and I'm not gonna lie, I didn't like it. I was like, I'll wait to make my judgment until we get like the bumpers done and everything tossed on, and I'm glad I did. Like, that's gonna look freaking killer. All right, let's get the grill on. All right, so obviously, you know, we got the brand new 3-inch exhaust. He got the dual chamber muffler on the back there. Sounds amazing. We obviously have the roll bar on the back, KC daylighters, the covers. We're gonna reuse the tail lights. A big thing that with this truck was that the rear tailgate did not actually function. Well, now guys, we've got a functioning tailgate for this truck. So obviously I'll have the bed liner and everything like that. I'll have to scrub it out. It obviously does not match the rest of the truck now, but a functioning tailgate is huge on a truck like this and a build like this. So glad that we decided to get a new tailgate. Well, actually Danny decided that. I was kind of like, whatever. But
that one had a little bit of rust and all that adhesive.
Yeah, so it's definitely a huge game changer that I'll actually be able to put stuff in and out of the bed of this truck. So all right, let's keep plugging and chugging. I think the route that we are going to go with this is tow mirrors as well. We have both sets. I actually you know, want to see what it looks like with and without, but I think we're going to end up leaving the tow mirrors on. I think that's going to be a good added touch to this and make it, that's going to be like the modern touch. Obviously we're still going old school with a lot of the features on this thing, but this is something that you can go kind of new school, and it kind of blends very, very well with the truck. So let's keep going. We got the light housing and assemblies installed. Now it's time to get to the grill over there. It is really starting to come together, as you can tell, and I'm so glad that Danny chose Scout Shush. Danny chose the lighting that he chose and the grill, and we got one more finishing piece. You guys just stay tuned for that. Alrighty guys, well, we've come a long way, and by we I mainly mean Danny's done a lot of work here, so I appreciate that, Danny. And it's ready to be revealed to you guys. So we got the finishing touch on the front of it. We still have 2 more places where we're going to add some color, and you will see that 100% coming up very, very soon. I think Danny's looking to have it back to us middle to early of next week, maybe this weekend, who knows. I'm in no rush after seeing it now. I mean, I am in a rush, but I'm in no rush to get it, you know, finished up. Take your time, do it right. All right. Slow restoration, definitely. So definitely, again, guys, definitely check out Danny's slow_restoration. Great guy. And I'm about to reveal just some of the things that he's capable of. Are you guys ready?
Yeah, we're ready. You ready?
I'm
ready.
I don't know if I want to show him in completion.
In completion, I mean, I'm gonna say it's 90% done on the outside.
Definitely.
Definitely some finishing touches, but show 'em.
Here. Look, absolutely killer. It has its modern look and it also has its old school look.
Definitely period correct.
Oh,
a lot of areas.
Definitely.
Rugged trail. That was the look we were going after.
Danny's dog is not hurt, guys. He's just a little bit of a talker today, but that looks absolutely killer, guys. And as you guys do know, we had to throw orange in there because I had to make it my own. I didn't want you guys to think that, you know, I don't know. I had to make it my own. I had to throw in my own orange. You guys know I love orange. Obviously, we got the black, and this just came out absolutely perfect. So I'm excited, guys. I hope you guys are excited. Definitely at this point, drop your comments of what you guys think of this truck. But I mean, she's done. She's almost ready to come home. Danny does have to finish up, like he'll have to do the door cards yet. Like I got to be somewhere, so I can't stick around much longer, but got to finish up the door cards. He's going to put the new interior in, get it detailed inside and out. But this truck came a long way since we got it, and I hope you guys definitely enjoy it. So there you guys have it. Another amazing video, another build. This one's actually near complete. I know people say that I don't complete things, but we have finally just about completed a project from start to finish, and I think this one is amazing, and I can't wait to get it home. And just, I don't think I'm going to drive it. I might just make it a time capsule and just sit it there just to look at. All my other vehicles are rough and rugged, and this one actually looks nice and presentable.
The problem is, this is rough and rugged ready.
Yeah, but I'm scared now because it just looks too good.
It definitely looks good. I'm seeing the finished product. When you guys see this in real life, it's totally different. I'm sure it's not going to look near as good. I know a lot of people were upset with the bed liner, but this is definitely by far the best way to take this truck on a budget.
Yeah, definitely.
Without totally blowing it out.
Yeah.
Replacing all kinds of panels.
We will get into what we spent on doing this, but I want to wait till we're completely 100% done. But we got some good investment in here, and I don't think it's as expensive as you guys at home think it really was. We cut some corners where we could cut some corners, and I mean, it looks freaking killer.
We didn't cut corners, we cut cost.
Cut cost. Yeah, sorry. So all right, guys. Well, again, if you like the content, please smash that like button. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to Danny. Hi, Jessica. Not here. All right, guys. But definitely give it a big thumbs up. Take care and have a great one, guys.